welcome everyone. Now in this video we are going to learn or practice how we can draw the image that is visible on your screen. So for better understanding, I advise that you should take a screenshot of this particular drawing and you should draw alongside me. Now in this one we are going to start with this central portion, which is a polygon, a hexagon to be precise. So we are going to use polygon command to draw this. Then we are going to draw these two circles. After that we are going to draw these lines and then this circle and then dimensions, and then we are going to create the hatch in order to make it a little bit more appealing. So without further delay, let's start this and let's learn something new. So in order to start this drawing, we'll have to start from the center, and we are provided with the distance from center to the corner of the hexagon. So the distance is 11.5. Now how we are going to proceed with it? So we will select polygon command first from here. Now click on polygon, or you can type polygon as well. Then specify the number of sides. We have a hexagon here, so we'll specify 6 as the side. And in order to take the center, I'm going to start it from origin and then press enter. So we have two options here. One is the polygon is inscribed in circle and another one is circumscribed about circle. So if we have distance from center to the corner, basically we are going to use inscribed option. Otherwise we should be using circumscribed option. So let's take a look. So this side that we should take is 11.5, should be the radius. After that, the next thing that we are going to proceed with is that we are going to draw a line. So start a line from the center of this particular polygon and make sure you are drawing it at an angle of 30 degrees and press enter. Now length of this line, I'm not specifying any, I'm simply clicking on this line and for a longer length. Now after that, the next thing that we need to do is we need to draw a circle of diameter 41 and the next diameter 46. So select circle using center and diameter, specify this as the center and specify diameter as 41 and then press enter. So this is the first circle. Then we are going to repeat the same command again. Click on this same center. Now this time the diameter should be 46 and then press enter. So after creating this, we need to create one circle on this particular side. So select circle using center and radius, specify this point as center and radius should be 5 and then press enter. We will remove the non-required portion again, and we need to create an offset of this particular, we need a line that is parallel to this one on this side as well as on this side. So we are going to use offset command for this. Click on offset, specify offset distance as 1 unit, press enter, click on this line, click on this side as well as on this side. Once we are done with this portion, we are going to use trim command to remove the non-required portion. So we are going to trim all of these things from here. Then we don't need these portions, so we are going to trim them as well. After that, these things are also not needed, so we are going to remove them. So this is our one side that we wanted to create. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these lines and then create a polar array, because we need 6 of these items. So click on array, click on polar array. After that, we need to specify the center of this particular polar array. So center should be origin. So 0, 0, press enter. Now just take a look, we are done with all of these sides that are there. So the next thing that we are going to do in this one is we need to trim the non-required portions. So go to home, click on trim, then remove the portions that you don't need. So this is something that we don't need, these sections are not needed. After that, these are also not needed. Now right now we are not able to remove this one because this is part of the array. So we'll have to basically explode this array. Okay, so press escape, click on explode, and then click on any one item of the array and press enter. Now all of these objects, they are separated and we will be able to trim them. So these are the options that we don't need. So this is the drawing, completed drawing that we needed. Now we need to specify the dimensions, and then we are going to proceed with providing color to this one. So instead of radius we need diameter. So select diameter, click on this circle like this, repeat it, click on this circle, place it like this. After that, next thing is we need radiuses for the inner circle. So click on this, specify radius. Okay, now we can specify it somewhere here as well, or if we are not comfortable with it, we can simply go to other circles, click on this portion and place the dimension wherever we want. Now this is something that again is not needed. We need to place it somewhere at a situation in which we can place these things properly. After that, we need certain dimensions that are linear. So click on linear dimension, this corner and this point. Now, this dimension was 11.5, but it's showing as 12 because we have not set the precision of this unit. So either you can change the precision, or the second option that we have is we can start this dimension from this particular point to this point and place it like this. Now it is correct. So the next dimension that we need is the dimension for offset. So click on align, click on this one portion, then second portion, and place this dimension like this. Next thing is we need angle. Okay, so angle basically we can understand from this complete perspective as well, that we have 6 different options. So this complete angle should be 60 degrees, and after that half of this angle will be 30 degrees. So it is not needed, it is understandable. Now the next thing is we need to create a hatch. So click on hatch, then after clicking on hatch we are going to specify a gradient of whatever colors or color scheme we need, and click inside the region and done. So after clicking inside this region, we are done with this hatch. Now if we need, we can increase the transparency or we can edit the hatch if we want. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.